Hello guys, in this video we will learn how to create inventory masters. Previously we have learned how to create the accounting masters. If you go inside create, you can see here these are your accounting masters: group ledger, cost center, currency, vouchers. So some of them you have learned, some of them you have not. They are all simple, but in this video our idea is to go to inventory. So if inventory is enabled, then this five options must come here by default: stock group, stock category, stock item, unit, and go down. So out of these, the most important part is your stock item and units. These two must be created. The rest are optional. If you have more than one place, go down is already there one, like by default. So you don't have to create go down. So it's already there by default. But if you want more, then you can create from go down. Stock group is a classification of stocks on the basis of certain nature. Whatever is your thought, I mean, whatever you understand, like what is the grouping of a particular kind of stock, it is like that. There is no hard and fast rule that stock grouping should be done in a particular order. So same thing that I say it comes under electronics, I may say no, it comes under mobile phone. So it depends on you. It depends on the accountant, what he thinks of it, or what the owner of the business talks about. Okay, so we will see a question. So here in this question, it says create inventory groups for an existing company. For an existing company, so we are supposed to create mobile phone, computer, and computer accessories, three different groupings of stock group. Okay, they are all under primary. Primary means they are at the top. There is nothing above them. So there is no further classification upward, but only it will be below. So definitely you can see from these names under mobile phone, all the mobile phones will come. Under computers, your laptop and desktop, all the computers will come like that. And computer accessories, all those other accessories like pen drive, USB, webcam, keyboard, these things will come. Okay, so these are the three groups that we are supposed to create. Now I will show you. Then after creation of these three, then after creation of these three groups, we will create Samsung mobile phone. Then other companies also we can add as subgroup. There is no limit to how many subgroups we can make. So you can make as many as possible. Okay. So let us create these three groups: mobile phone, computer, and computer accessories. So we'll go here. Let me show you again. Go to create, then go to stock group, then create. First is mobile phone, primary, let it be yes, and save it. If more informations are shown below, just ignore it for the time being. Then next is computers, again under primary. So you see, I have already created mobile phone, so mobile phone is already coming. So I create computers and put it under mobile phone, then computers will become a subgroup of mobile phone. So no, it is a primary, and make it yes. Then we'll make computer accessories, that also under primary. Now the question says make Samsung mobile phone under mobile phone. So this will be a subgroup, sub stock group. So let me make it Samsung mobile phone, and we under will be mobile phones. You see? So now this becomes under mobile phone. We have to select Samsung mobile phone. Similarly, you can make Apple mobile phone also. Apple Apple phones also. Again, it will be under mobile phones. So we have created two groups. So we have created three stock groups and two sub stock groups. Okay, so this is how we have created. So first this page is done. So let me show you from where to see it. Just like your accounting masters, again you go to chart of accounts, but instead of ledgers this time you go to stock groups. There you see, we can see we have computer accessories, computers, and mobile phone as stock group, and under mobile phone we have Apple phones and Samsung mobile phone. Okay, so just like previously we create multi master, from here also we can create multi, your choice. I will not show you right now. Let me go back and look at the question what else it says. If I go to next page, it says let's create some stock categories. Now let me tell you stock category, what do you mean by it? Stock category is a parallel classification just like a stock group. Okay, stock categories can be same. A particular stock category can be same in two different stock groups. Here very good example is given in all kind of stock group, like mobile phones, like Samsung mobile phone, Apple, Sony, Xiaomi, whatever, all those mobile companies you have. The phone may be different, the model name may be different, but their storage remains same. They may be 16 GB. Of course, 16 GBs are not there anymore. Maybe 64 also is too small. 128 GB nowadays and 256 GB storage comes. Okay. Similarly, RAM also can be, so 8 GB RAM, 4 GB RAM, 16 GB RAM, or maybe the screen size also, 6 inch, 6.2 inch, 7 inch, 5.8 inch, or maybe AMOLED also, AMOLED, non-AMOLED, wireless, wired. You see, so even stock category also just like stock grouping, depends on you what you think of it. Okay, so here in the question they're asking us to create four stock categories: 16, 32, 64, and 128 GB storage. So let me do that. Again, go to create, but this time instead of stock group, create stock category. Click. Let me write 16 GB storage primary, then 32 GB storage, again primary, then 64 GB storage, again primary. Of course, if I put under any of these already created, it will become subcategory, but I don't want it right now, so let it be primary. And the last one was 128 GB storage. So I have created four categories. Again, if you go back, go to chart of accounts, and you can check under stock categories. You see we have four stock categories. There is a mistake here. Let me correct it. To correct something, you can go to alter and go to stock category or stock item. Yeah. Let me delete it for the time being. Yeah, done. So we don't have any more that one for confusion. That was stock item appearing under stock category, I guess. Okay. So let me go back and check here stock categories. So now we have four stock categories. Perfect. So I need not worry about stock category anymore. So I'll go back to question. Stock item. We have to create stock item. All these items you can see that. Under what are these? Main stock group at the bottom you can see it is mobile phone. Under mobile phone we have to create Samsung mobile phone and Sony mobile phone. Samsung we have already created, Sony we have not. So Sony we have to create the stock group. Then under these we have to create, under Samsung we have to create Samsung S7 Edge and Samsung Galaxy J7, and stock category for both items is 32 GB storage. Whereas for Sony we have to create Sony E1 Dual Xperia and Sony Series J Xperia. Again the category is 32 GB. Okay, there can be more categories also for the same item for 64, 128 GB also. Okay, so let us do that, but let me go ahead and see what else it says. This thing they have already given here. This is just a chart. So this is the question. So we have to create first item is Samsung Galaxy J7 under Samsung mobile phone, 32 GB GB storage, and unit of measurement is numbers. Yeah, we have not created unit of measurement. We are supposed to create that first. Without unit of measurement, your invoice will never have quantity column, because you never said on what basis you are selling it. So the tally will also say, I don't know. So you have to create this unit of measurement. Let me create that first. Again, let's go to create and let's go to unit and create NOS numbers and number of decimal place. This means like how do you sell it? Do you sell it in fraction? Like mobile phone, do you sell half mobile phone or 25% of mobile phone? No, we sell the entire mobile phone as a whole. So decimal will be 0. But if you're selling atta chawal, all those things, rice and wheat and all, then you have to provide decimal like 0.1, or you have to provide number of decimal place like 1, 2, whatsoever. No. Okay. So we have created the simple unit of measurement. So done. Now let's create Samsung Galaxy J7. Let me go back and create. Let's go to stock item now. We'll create stock item. What is the stock items? Samsung Galaxy J7. So in the newer version, this may be a little different the way it looks like. You don't have to worry, but most important part are these three items here: the name, under, and unit of measurement. Okay. Now it's asking for, okay, primary will be Samsung, will be definitely under Samsung, no? Okay, so let me, before that, I want to select 32 GB category also. You can see 32 GB category. So since it's not shown, so I'll go to configuration and make here, yeah, and make this use stock category as yes. If I make it yes, control A, I can see my stock category is coming. So this will be mobile phone, this will be 32 GB storage, and this will be numbers. Nothing else is important. Okay, so this statute details, you don't have to say anything. It's just the rate of GST that this particular item attracts. So these three things only. At the most, you can give certain quantity, like if you have any opening stock of quantities, save it. So we are done with Samsung Galaxy J7. Let me make Samsung S7 Edge, Samsung S7 Edge. Same way, just like earlier we did. Mobile phone, no, not mobile phone, sorry, it should be Samsung mobile phone because we have given further categorization, no? So this one is how much? 64 GB, this one. So, and this will be numbers. That's it. Save it. Next, Sony E1 Dual Xperia. Sony E1 Dual Xperia. Definitely under Sony mobile phone. We do have? No. So if you do not have, then you can go from here also, create and create the group Sony mobile phones, and it should be under mobile phones, and yes, save it. That's it. Now Sony category is how much it says, 32 GB, and second one is 64. So again it will be numbers. See, it looks same. So save it. And the last item we have to create is Sony Series J Xperia. Sony Series J Xperia. It will be under Sony. Then it will be under, oh man, it will be under 64 GB, numbers, and save it. That's it. We are done with creation of 4 stock items. So now we have stock group, stock category, unit of measurement, and we also have 4 stock items. So if you want to see where is the stock item that you have created, go to chart of accounts as usual and go to stock item, and you can see Samsung we have two. I think I made a mistake while making Samsung Galaxy J7. I did not select, I think, Samsung mobile phone. That's why it is coming as separate. So let me change it. So how do we change it? You can use the shortcut key Alt G and go to Alter Master, then go to stock item and Samsung Galaxy J7. You see I have made a mistake. Instead of Samsung mobile phone, it comes under mobile phone. No, it is not under mobile phone. It is under Samsung mobile phone. And save it. And if I go back, you see they all come under Samsung mobile phone, both of them. And here both comes under Sony. Similarly, we can create some iPhone 15, iPhone 16. They'll come under Apple phone. Similarly, for computers, we can make desktop laptops, or we can make HP, Dell, and all those brand as per your choice. Here also same thing. Accessories can be what, maybe based on companies, or we can make, maybe we can say headphones and webcams and keyboard and etc. So let's see what else is there. They're asking us to create a Godown also extra. By default, there is already one Godown or location in Delhi. You don't have to create it. So they're asking us to make Delhi, Mumbai, Delhi, and Kolkata. So let me make a Godown. See, if you go chart of accounts and go down, we already have main location. Okay, so now we want to create 3 more Godowns: Delhi, Mumbai, and Kolkata. Let's go to go down. In certain versions it is also written as location, so they both are same. Kindly do not worry. So if I click on go down, it's ask you main location exists by default for the company. Do you want to alter them, alter main location, or create a new one? Right now I want to create a new one, so let me create new one. Nothing is there, so let me make Kolkata, Kolkata location. If you want to give address, you can click here, more details, and give Godown address. You can give whatever you want. Okay, I'll not give to save the time. Alias you can give, it's under primary only. If I choose main location, that means under main location there are more go downs like Kolkata and something else. Okay, but of course it is not. So let me choose the primary only. So we are done with first one. Second one is Delhi or Delhi, we call it in Hindi. Again primary. And what else we have? Delhi or Mumbai location. Mumbai location. So we have created three different go downs. So now if I go to chart of accounts, my dear kids, and go to go downs down here, you can see I have Delhi, Kolkata, main location, and Mumbai. So now the question is asking to us to create all these items that I'll give you. You can practice on your own, and recording we will see that later. Okay, that's it today. We'll do one thing. You do these question practice. Create all these stock items given here. They are under Samsung. They are under iPhone, Apple. They are also under Sony. You create all these items. Then stock groups already given. Samsung we have already created. Apple mobile phone we have already created. Sony mobile phone already created. Category also 128 GB. These are we have already created. Unit also. You simply have to create this items only. Then what else we have? Yeah, these also kindly do it. We have HP. These are the item name. I think these are laptop, desktop, headphone, and webcam. So these are stock groups you have to create: laptop, desktop, headphone, and webcam. Then stock category you have to create. Please see nicely. These things are already given. So kindly create these as categories, and unit no need to create. They are all same. Then what else we have? This thing we'll see that later. Okay. See you in the next video. Thank